Xiamen Lika Electrical Equipment Company Limited, founded in 2015. And we have our own associated factory, which is an enterprise dedicated to the research, development, and production of high-performance connectors and providing connectivity solutions. Our company is located in Xiamen City, with convenient transportation. Our company has a perfect quality management system, innovative R&D team, complete testing laboratory, can provide customers with high-quality products and competitive prices. Our main products include underwater connector, M5, M8, M12, M16, M19, M23 connector, push-pull connector, aviation connector, circular connector, heavy-duty connector, and related wire harness products. Waterproof rating from IP65 to IP69K, which are widely used in industrial automation, sensors, marine equipment, new energy, communication, lighting, LED display equipment, railway and security, and other fields. The company's products are made in strict accordance with international general standards and can be used interchangeably with major brand products. At the same time, we can also provide special, customized services according to customer requirements. Our company has passed ISO 9001 Quality System certification, and our products have passed a number of third-party certification. Our products are not only popular in China, but also exported to 56 countries and regions. We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to cooperate and create a better future.